What's up, Pickle Peeps? Today we're doing an unboxing! Woo! And the best part is, I have no clue what it is! Serious, like, brown box, I didn't order, but it came, so. And it's from Clickfunnels, and I really, seriously have zero clue what it is. So, one of the fun things to me about doing this channel, and by the way, my name is Melissa Pickle, welcome to the Handmade How, blah, 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 we're moving past the intro, okay. So, one of the really cool things to me about having a channel, and one of the reasons that I encourage everyone to publish in some way, YouTube, blog posts, podcast, I don't care what it is it allows you to see the journey. It allows you to look back and get like these amazing snapshots into where you were in the past. And you can only do that if you document the present, which is why we have an unboxing going on. Now, one of the cool things about this channel, besides, like, of course, all the how-tos, and I'm giving you guys the cool stuff as I learn it, is I am personally on the goal. My goal is to get the 2 Comma Club award. I'm in Russell Brunson's 2CCX program, all that stuff. I'm pretty transparent about that. When I get the award, it's going right there on the wall, right there. The space is set, okay? And, yeah, that's just like that's my goal, sitting, going here with my different businesses. And it's so neat, whatever your goal is, because everyone has a goal in business. Everyone has like this idealized version of their business that they are working towards. Mine, the 2 Comma Club, the award just is a representation of what I've accomplished in there. I'm not like an award junkie. I really don't care. I never even picked up my master's diploma. I still don't care. But it's a representation of a goal, and the goal in your business, the idealized version of your business. And just the fascinating thing when you start reaching different milestones is the ability to look back and see where you were before. To that moment, I talk about it a lot, that like things happen in our lives. I am a full-on believer of this. I believe everything happens for a reason. I believe we have zero right to know that reason. God, universe, don't know, honestly don't care, but everything happens for a reason. I do have that belief, and like I said, I believe that we really don't have, we are not owed what the reason is. I trust there is a reason, but I'm probably never gonna know it. And I don't know, I think this got solidified in my head when I read The 5 People You Meet in Heaven, and like the guy's got no clue what his life is about, and he's just mad at what his life ended up, and then in the end you find out what his purpose was. And I don't know. I like all-nighted to read that book a long time ago. And just, I think that helped solidify this belief in my head. But all that to say, there are these magic moments when you're on the path, when you're climbing the mountain, where you're able to kind of look back over your shoulder and see how all the stuff in your life kind of lined up to lead you to this moment, to lead you to where you're moving to. And I just think those moments are absolutely magical. Comment below, let me know if you've experienced these moments where it's like all of a sudden, like you get, the veil pulls back for a glimpse for a second and you're like, I see the vision. I see like why I've been obsessed with XYZ, why I met this person, why I did that thing, like all of that. It's happened to me a couple of times in my life, and it's visions, and they led to different futures, but still, that's enough philosophy right now. Let's see what's in the box, right? Because I don't know what's in the box. All that to say, the reason I'm doing this unboxing is I wish, Pickle Peep, that I had done unboxings all throughout this journey. I've been in this program for over a year now, and every 90 days they would send you out a box that had really cool stuff in it. It has the Hero's Journal. I don't know if I've done a review on that or not. If not, I'll definitely do a review on the Hero's Journal. They've had those in there each time. There's been shirts, there's been stuff to surround yourself, and usually you guys see me in Clickfunnels gear, because like, it's one of those ways of assuming a success identity is like surrounding yourself with the thing. You guys don't know, there's a picture of me on stage with Russell, like right across, like behind the camera. That's TMI. Okay, with Russell and Todd, but still. All right, let's see what's in the box. Oh, and I was saying I had these other boxes, and I wish now that I've gone through and I have all 3 boxes, Ignite, Nail It, Scale It, I wish I had done recordings like this, of just capturing the surprise, capturing the excitement that happens along the journey. Because then some putting together, like, you're shooting your highlight reel as it happens. We don't get to get our highlight reel. We don't get a video option. We don't get an audio option. We don't get a written option of that, of like what our emotions, what our reactions, what everything is in the second that it's happening. Because once it's done, it's done. We don't get that again. And when you're at those success points, when you're at those look back points, when you are telling other people, I've done it, come along, come join me, and I know you can do it too. It is so great to have these moments where you'd be like, no, look, I understand where you're at because I was there too. Like that. Okay, I've really bothered on a lot. Okay, unboxing. All right, so for an unboxing, we have our handy dandy scissors. And like, I'm a little bummed. I have no clue at all what's in this box right here. It could be something really dumb, and this is gonna end up being a dumb video then, but that's okay. All the other big boxes that I got from them are all big, like they're pretty boxes. Maybe I'll show you guys. I'll pan up and let you see the boxes, but let's do this. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Scissors back. Box. Open box 1. Open box 2. Oh, there's a fancy box inside the box. What is it? Holy shit. It's the Collective. I don't really know what that is, but I've seen people with the sweatshirts when I go to the different events. Like, I just bought plane tickets this morning to go to Arizona for Unlock the Secrets. Okay. So this is like, oh, serendipity right there. Okay. Let's see. Come out, come out, come out. And we don't need that box. Look at this box. Ooh, look at this box. I am like seriously excited. So, Funnel Hacker Collective. Ooh. I wonder what's going on. Okay. Let's do it here. Let's do it. You guys are probably going to see stuff before me because we're going to go. I've tried to do like the fancy flip with this, like, it just doesn't work. Okay. I'm not that coordinated. Oh, we lift it up. Like, I love this. I love this. Like, can you imagine like idealized versions of your businesses? Whether you're doing e-com, whether you're doing physical, whether you're doing e-com, whether you're doing coaching, I don't care. Idealized version of your business is to have, for me, like every time you move a flap on the box, there's something new and exciting. Like, oh. all right. Let's see what's going on. We got a fancy red inside. Collective. Okay. What do we got here? I really don't know. So Collective, a group of people or things like a family or team that act as one unit. Together we work to achieve a common objective. We are just one funnel away. Okay. And we have a letter, which I'm not going to read the letter to you guys. Okay. So the whole point of this, whoa. I didn't even look down. I was focused on the letter. Like, whoa. Okay. Collective Plus. Like, what? Okay, this is beautiful right here. What do we got? What do we got? We have a... I feel like I should like put you guys down. But... All right, we have a journal in here. We have, I bet, this is a pen. Let's see. Knock things over. We have 2 pens. All right, double whammy pens. Beautiful, beautiful. Have this out. I can pull this part off. And this is literally, like, they send out encouragement swag. Like, we know you're working hard. We know that you are rocking this journey, but we want to keep you encouraged and motivated. So they send out gifts. Like, right what I was just saying before I even opened the box is in the letter. So that's hilarious. All right. What else we got? What else we got? Oh, all right. We got stickers. And I found it hilarious when I was in Mexico. So true story. When I was in Mexico hanging out with everybody who's in this, like, I was really jealous of the Collective sweatshirts. But I had the 2CCX sweatshirt, which, no, it's not in here, but you guys see me wear it all the time. It's got the $1 million thing on it. And other people were jealous of my sweatshirt, but now I'm getting a Collective sweatshirt. Yay! Okay, I think this is the last thing in the box, right? Oh, yeah. As we pull stuff out of the box, we get... This is just a beautiful box. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Woo! We got new sweatshirt! Yes! Of course I need a new sweatshirt. And it has on here Funnel Hacker Collective. It's got Funnel Hacker down the side. The blue jacket you guys may see, it's in like the cover photo of over half of my videos. Has that same Funnel Hacker down the side. I got it Funnel Hacking Live. If you guys are all interested in marketing, you have to get tickets to Funnel Hacking Live. It's amazing. We had such a great time. Even my mother, who is not a marketer, but we got home from that trip and they said they were putting tickets on sale for next year. Lock in the early bird price before October 1st. So it ended on like the 25th or 26th. By October 1st, we had already bought tickets for next year. This year, I foresee buying the tickets while there. So, like, that's how amazing this conference is. And, oh yeah. So, whew, there we go. I'm excited. Yay, presents. It's so good. It's so great. And if you are a high ticket coach at all, I encourage you, like, I'm not going to tell you guys what I spent on this program, but I encourage all high ticket coaches, send gifts, send encouragement, keep your students engaged, keep them on the mindset of winning. It's something that I need to do more in my own coaching programs. And again, yes, you can't do this if you're doing it on, like, not the $7 challenge. You get some fun emails, you get the chance to win stickers at the end. But where your people have put a good investment in you, keep a good investment in them. So hopefully that makes sense. But anyway, there we go. That is our box. I'm so excited. So next video, well, it's like 100 degrees out today. So not today for a sweatshirt, but next time it's cool enough for a sweatshirt. You just might be seeing me in that one. And that's it, Pickle Peeps. So I want to know. So this is beautiful, like, blend of e-com and info products, which I'm going to be talking a lot about in the future. It is the next wave that's coming through. Definitely more on that in the future. But let me know, have you received gifts from coaching programs that you've done before? Like, have you received surprises? I know it doesn't happen anymore, so I can talk about it, but like the first time I experienced this was with Renee Christine when I bought Ultimate Architect. That was the first high ticket, at the time it was a high ticket course to me. Now I look at $9.97 courses and I'm like, whatever, that's cheap. How your mindset changes. But I bought that course, and a few months later, before the launch of Handmade Titan University, at that time it was Rich Mom University, she sent out what was called the golden ticket. And no, it was not a huge box like this. It was a heavy duty envelope, and inside was just like stickers and fancy paper clips and a whole bunch of different stuff in there. I don't remember beyond those. I still have mine. And it actually had the golden ticket, which invited you into the next program. Like I said, she doesn't do that anymore, which is why I feel I can talk about it. But it was pretty damn amazing. The amount of crying videos and reactions that people gave her because of that was mind-blowing. I know I shot one the day I got the golden ticket, because we all knew this thing was coming out, but we didn't know what was in it. No one was allowed to talk about what was in the thing. So I don't know that I'm breaking any rules by showing you guys what was in this thing. And this video, I'm not gonna lie, is more for me than it is for you. But it is to show excitement. It is to do that. So, like, if you're in high ticket and you're not getting stuff, like, ask us, like, come on, where's the swag? Let me represent you. Let me give me excuses, give me ways to really, like, express how much I love you guys in the courses without, I don't know where that thought was going. Shoot, I completely lost my train of thought there. Hey. Okay, Pickle Peeps, so let me know what you think of getting swag from your coaches and from getting that belief in your coaches, because it's not just, it's reciprocal. It's like, yes, we spend money with coaches. I both charge as a coach, and I spend money on coaching, and getting that reciprocal back of belief. Never mind that I see my coaches every week on live Zoom calls. I mean, I even offer that in my Trunk Show Secrets course. We have Monday morning live Q&As over Zoom, so it's face-to-face with me that they get that. I gotta think of, now with this, like, I'm getting inspired. It's like, what am I gonna send them? And if you got ideas, if you're in Trunk Show Secrets, you're like, oh, Melissa, this thing would be awesome, let me know. It's not a super expensive course, so that does put limits. Like, it's got to be in balance to what the course costs. So let me know, Pickle Peep, have you ever received gifts in the mail from your coaches before, from any of the courses that you have taken? Like, we get emails all the time. Have you ever even received lumpy mail, like a thank you letter or something in the mail from your coaches? Let me know. I'm curious because, like, obviously I received, now this is super expensive. This is a high ticket program that I'm in. So yeah, the gifts they give are better. But if I was to send out gifts to people in my coaching programs, what do you think they should be? Comment below. I want to know your ideas. And I mean, like, you've probably, no, I'm not going there. If you're in Syndicate, you know, you get welcome presents, but still. Where do you think we were inspired to send welcome presents from? This right here. Okay, Pickle Peeps, that is all. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and reaction video. There may or may not, I can't give an exact timeline, but stuff coming up about unboxings and reactions and getting this stuff for your products as an e-com, as a handmade seller. There just might be things coming out about that. That was all inspired by these packages that I have received. And I mean, I think it's so cool that when we experience something, when we go through something and it's just life-changing and it's memorable and all of that, how we can go on and then apply that to our lives. I love it. All right. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want collective stuff as well, you got to join the 2 Club X program. I will see you guys tomorrow, Pickle Peep. This right here, I believe, is day 25 of 90. Woo! We are on a 90-day streak going for YouTube here, and after that, I don't know what happens. So, with that, I'll see you tomorrow. You guys have an epic day building your epic business. Till then.